got a hook in his jaw.
That's right. There you go. Nice. Lift up. There you go. Much better. Yeah, definitely easier because now you can use your back. Oh, we got another one. All right, keep going. I got it. I'm watching you. Oh boy. Dude, that's pulling down. He went straight down.
He just shot down.
Yeah, you gotta get it in your belly. Get it in your belly a little bit.
That's left.
There we go.
Go down and then pull up and yeah, I saw that. I saw your arm pull straight down. Now dip it down. There you go. Now pull.
He's big.
Oh, yeah, he's big.
Oh! Come over to this corner. Lift him up.
Reel a little bit. Oh, dude, that's a
Yeah.
Nice fit.
that's another nice fit.
Nice fish, Junior.
Boy, that was nice.
That's all by yourself,
Dude,
man.
that was all you. Nice. Hey, you're gonna have to hold this one by yourself now.